Rebekah, and I am going to show you how to make a flower arrangement today out of this wonderful piece that I found on Marketplace. So I like to use artificial flowers. I can do fresh and I can do dried, but artificial as long as they're convincing and they make your friends sneeze. Let's go ahead and dive in. I have an assortment of succulents here to use as well as florals, just to give it a little pop and to make it more lifelike and more cactus looking. So like something you might see in Arizona or more desert looking. So I just put foam down inside this box. I layered it because it's kind of tall. Typically what I do is I arrange it first and then I decide if I like it. And then I'll go back through, and as I take the stems out individually and glue them in, secure them in, I will take the tags off. Simply because sometimes, it's maybe not the right flower, I need more of something, and so I'll just exchange it. I'm gonna start with this in the middle, just because it's got some height and I like the center of it. This particular arrangement, again, could be yours, but I'm going to use it for my dining table temporarily. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and make it floral on both sides, all the way around, because you're going to see it all the way around the table. I'm going to start with this one here. And I'm just going to center it. And again, I'll take the tags off once I decide I like everything and that I don't need to exchange anything. I do love these strands of pearls, and I usually use these kind of doubled up on the corners or in the middle, just so they drape over the side. I like to do things a little bit symmetrically, not perfectly symmetrical, because you'll see some variances from the front to the back. I think I'm going to go for these taller ones here, again, to kind of balance out this height I have in the middle. I love these. I don't know their name. I imagine somebody out there does. But anyhow, I do love them. They're nice weight, visual weight, nice color, have a great body to them. This one I'm going to do on the corner to balance out this over here. You don't find symmetry in nature. It's a little bit more organic feeling, and again, a little bit more realistic. I love these lambs here. This is very popular right now in a lot of different types of arrangements. You see this a lot in farmhouse and industrial. I'm going to leave it a little taller because I'm going to moss in as well. So I'm going to add just a little pop of color here. This is a beautiful one. It's got some purple in it. But I do love to use these strands of pearls in kind of groups, a cluster, so they really have some visual weight to them. I'm going to put this back here. And as you can see, it's just kind of got a nice glow. We've got the little sister one over here that matches it. Colors and the vibrancy it has, I just love. It's just so fresh looking. So this is something that you can enjoy year round. And I'm going to put this back there. So I hope you're enjoying this and that it inspires you to do your own arrangement. You're welcome to contact me. I'd be happy to walk you through anything, or we'll eventually have these up on my website for purchase. And I think I'll save this one for a wreath.